Okay, welcome back. We are going to continue. We're going to actually work on doing the tail light and the turn signals. So here is the tail light. It's actually already wired up, ready to go. So you've got the white and black is the turn signal wire. So I'm going to kind of slide that here. The yellow and black is the left turn signal over here. Then we have the black and the white. The black is the for the brake light, and oh, and I've actually had these short out because the coverings did not cover all the way. Now the white piece, the white lens goes down. That's shining on the brake light. I'm starting off shining on the license plate. This will actually, once I get the turn signals on, it'll kind of complete that portion of this light. This is very so. I've ordered another lens. That lens is just really incredibly faded. Do not have a one that's a little bit brighter. So the next is we're going to put on the turn signals. And these are actually, they're made by Peterson, and they really are pretty accurate representation. The ones that came with the bike are just kind of like, they're kind of like cheap knockoffs. They were not correct. The